Hey, Daniel Parsons, excited to be back with you on the 3rd of September, 2025. I am a Life Farm independent business owner. With Life Farm, it pays to be healthy. That's on the ball cap there. So this ID badge is in my hand, was given to us on the incentive cruise on the Mediterranean in 2024. And so Life Farm does have incentive cruises. And so they operate with what's known as IBOs. We're independent business owners, and there's not a whole bunch of hoops you have to jump through. You do just have to agree to their terms and conditions. And it's a real good time for me to interject that I am the person that you call to order. You're joining my team. I'm the person that answers any questions you have about the products, any questions about the team, the compensation plan. So we get rewarded very well for sharing Life Farm products. I am required to tell you that we don't make any income claims whatsoever. People earn based on their experience, based on their effort, and based on conditions. I've given my income disclaimer. We're not promising that you're going to make a fortune by next week. I used to just really cringe when I started in this industry in 2005, and I would hear somebody hype that you would make $10,000 by next week. And thank goodness we have some government policies that prohibit that. So I do want to share with you, though, that this is a very lucrative business for people that go to work and they really, really share. It can be very rewarding. As a matter of fact, direct sales industry produces more millionaires than any other industry that I know of. Now, on the video I shot yesterday when the Cellnergy foot charge came, I showed you that even the exterior box, it says Cellnergy foot charge all over it. And I thought, wow, check this out when I unboxed it today. I just had so many things going on yesterday with a garden, I couldn't get to unboxing the Cellnergy foot charge. So this is the mold, so it fits securely in here. And as long as the couriers don't throw your package and, I mean, really get crazy with it, it should arrive safely to you. And of course, if there ever was any problems, you would just alert me and I would handle it for you and get a replacement. So here they are very thorough with their instructions. And so I'm not going to spend a bunch of time on that. I just want to show you how thoughtful they designed this in the United States. Now it is manufactured in China, and I know that I've been in the home therapy device business since 2002 in January, and I know that this is where a whole bunch of the TeraHertz discoveries have been made. And so I got to be very careful with what I say. So even the little bag that your foot charge comes in says Cellnergy foot charge. And then here, this is really, really cool right here. So it just tells you everything. Modern recovery starts with your feet. And so you're going to be warming up your feet, and you're going to get TeraHertz therapy and resonance. Is what it's called, TeraHertz resonance. You're going to get cell wave bioactivation, infrared thermotherapy. You have 6 smart modes. You have 3 timer settings, 15, 30, and 60 minutes. And so don't go over 60 minutes. And it's recommended that you don't do more than 2 hours. You got an instruction manual here, and I'm not going to go into any of those details, but it takes around 10 minutes. When I unboxed, it took me around 10 minutes to go through that. And so here, you're real simple. It took around 3 hours, which is what the instruction manual said. Just a USB charger there, and then it's got the small charger that you stick into the foot charge. And before I show you the foot charge, you do have this remote control unit. And so it has a little 3-volt battery that after time, if you need to replace that little 3-volt battery, it's real simple. I've already slid that off there. And you can get a little 3-volt battery and you'll have your little remote control. And that remote control simply just fits right down into here. Okay. Like that. Okay. And then, so I mentioned to you your USB charge, and that's where it goes in right there. Look at how thin this is. And it's very lightweight. I don't even think it's more than, it couldn't possibly be more than 2 pounds. So probably around 1 kilo at the most. So, and you know, you can carry it in your carry-on luggage. And so it's big enough that I can put my feet on it. And so if you, I'm a 11.5 foot size USA. So I could see where somebody, maybe if they're 13 or 14, they would be pushing the max too. So anyway, just real well designed. Like I said, designed in the United States. And I'm very excited about helping people because we know that as we get older, I've seen some relatives that told me that their feet were cold and they couldn't get warmed up. I wish my father had lived long enough for me to be able to put this in his hands and help him. So this is Daniel. That is the unboxing of the Cellnergy foot charge. And so my phone number, and please, if you're trying to pitch crypto or some kind of investment deal, I just don't have time. It's not my calling. This is my wealth because health is wealth for me. So my phone number, Pacific Time Zone, weekdays, 360-383-0265. And so our team is growing very fast with this foot charge. We look forward to helping people. And then so it would not be a one and done purchase because Pharm has some incredible products. They actually launched with a product called Lemonine, which helps the body's ability to repair and regenerate itself. So Pharm products are not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, prevent any disease or illness. Consult with your licensed medical authorities for your health concerns. That's all I've got for today. Signing off for now, Daniel Parsons. Bye for now.